Let's talk about defamation. What are your options if someone slanders you? So defamation is when somebody says something false against you. And by the way, it needs to be a false fact, not a false opinion. So it's when somebody has a false fact that is said to another party about you that has a tendency to reduce your reputation or your esteem in the eyes of others. So let's say, for example, John said that Sally is a jerk. Well, is that defamation? And let's assume Sally is not a jerk. She's actually a very pleasant person. In that case, that is not defamation because jerk is an opinion. It's not a fact. Now, if John said Sally is a child molester, that's a factual statement. Assuming she's not, that is defamation. Let's say John said Sally sells apples and Sally doesn't sell apples. Is that defamation? No. It may be false. In fact, it is false in this scenario, but it is not the type of factual statement that has a likelihood of reducing someone's reputation or esteem in the community. If somebody defames you, like they slander you, or they engage in libel, what are your options? I'll give you an example. Somebody posts something online about you that's false. You can ignore it. You can issue a public statement about it, saying that it's false, and kind of calling them to account. You can send them a cease and desist letter, telling them to cease and desist defaming you and to remove that comment that's posted online. Or you can sue. You can do all of those. You can do some of them. You can do them in the order that you want. They're all available. If you sue, you have two options. You can sue for damages at the end of the lawsuit, or you can sue for both damages and an injunction. An injunction is the same as a TRO or restraining order. It generally means the same thing. Technically, it means different things in different places, but most people consider them the same. An injunction or a TRO is basically telling somebody to stop doing something illegal. And instead of a letter, a cease and desist letter coming from a lawyer, an injunction is ordered by a court. So if the person violates the injunction, they now have problems with the judge, and they're accountable to the judge for violating a judicial order. Much more serious consequences. The consequences of violating a cease and desist letter are you might get sued. So, what are your options if somebody defames you online? Ignore them, call them to account, send a cease and desist letter, or sue them. We've covered all the questions we have time for today. Love to have you at a future live session. If you'd like to know about these, and by the way, they're usually not available in full online unless you hop onto them live, then you can watch them. But if you would like to be part of the next one, feel free to register at aaronhall.com/free. You'll get on our free newsletter. It doesn't come out that often, and it's all about delivering important value to you, educational information that will help you avoid problems in your company and improve your life. Go to aaronhall.com/free if you would like to get notified about the next time we are going live. It was wonderful being here with you today. Please feel free to check out this YouTube channel and subscribe if you are interested in other educational information for business owners to bring more success to your company and life. Have a great day.